So guys, welcome back to our fifth tutorial. So the next thing I said we'll be doing is laying out that home page. So let me open your home page so get to see it. We already have our screenshots. So let me get a screenshot here. Oh, we already have something here. So these are screenshots. So we have our home page. So this is the home page. Wow. Sorry about that. So this is what we'll be laying out right now. So I'll put it side by side. So I'll put it here. Then let me bring up my text editor so that we can be able to see the code that I'm writing. Okay, this was our previous code, right? So let me just reduce it like this so we can be able to see the website, the mockup, and like just follow everything. Okay, this is the formal design, so we have to remove everything and start from the top. So, I want to talk about analyzing your your mockup or your UI. I talked about it in the first video tutorial. So, but I still want to lay emphasis. Or probably we'll just do that when we're going into styling the website. So now it's just basic HTML and CSS. So basic HTML for now. So we'll be moving to the CSS part. So let me just remove all this. Yeah, remove all this. So because we've talked about HTML5 sectioning elements, which are the header, the main, the nav bar, the section, the div, the aside, the address, all those things. So we will not be laying more emphasis on that. So we'll just go directly on laying out. So first thing first, we have nav bar, and the nav bar, as you can see, is now full. The last time we view it is on small viewport, but now we have our own mockup, so we can actually make it large, so for us to see everything well. So let me increase the size. All right. So this is it. Then, so the first thing we're supposed to do now is to get this top nav bar. So we'll just do that. So we can put them in our header. So use the header tag, right? Then we now do nav. So then we have the list of items, so an image. So inside our nav, we can decide to put a div that will contain our image, right? So we'll just say logo here. We'll say the Decagon logo. So after that, then we'll now use our UL for the list item. Probably we might just still put this in another div. Depends, it's based on preference. You can actually leave it like this. So, but let me just put it in another div. Let's take this guy in here. Then we now do our li. Wow, our li. So we have. Oh, let me zoom this so that I can be able to see. The item. So we have home. So I'll just duplicate this. Duplicate factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. So we have home, we have FAQ, frequently asked question, we have partner, we have blog. Oh, sorry about that. Blog. We have join our trainer, right? Then we now have apply. So that's that for the head section. Or we can also just, based on this mockup, we can just decide to like still put every other thing in the head plus this h1 tag that we see here. This text will go into our h1, while this will be like the p tag. Then this one can be also another p tag. Then we'll be the one to style it and decide the font size. So let's just do that. So inside our header, after our nav, we now have a section. Yeah, so we have a section for our banner. So everything here, we'll probably be using the background image for this for the header. So this full image will be behind the text. So we just write only the text. So we have our heading one tag here. So probably we'll just go to the website and copy the text. Oh, sorry. So on team. This is it. So just take the text and come back here, paste it, or paste it here. Then we now have our p tag. Come here, paste it, take this, and paste it here in between our p tag. Right, then we have the next p tag. So I'll just write anything here. Alright, so that's that for our nav bar, the header, the banner. So we'll now move to the main content. So we use the main tag to enclose everything in the main content. So this is the next part. So we have heading 2 or heading 3. Let's say heading 3. So let me just copy this text. So this is like a new section. So we'll have that. Now, so define a new section. Oh, sorry. Section. Then you have your H1, right? Paste your text here. Then let's see. Okay, this is another. We can just use div inside the section so that we'll have this for cards inside. So say div. So div. Then inside this div, as you can see, we are having cards. So I will create this card now, which is another div. So I'll just create one. We can duplicate them. So we can duplicate it. So let me just do this. Then inside the div, we have our image. I can put it in the div, right? So that I'll have total control. So say profile underscore image, right? Then the next part, put it in the div 2, which we have like another h, let's say h3 or right h3, which is the name. So say Chika will be. So after that we have all these items. So we can decide to put this in the div and say you are right. Come here, copy this. So li or paste it first and shift this guy. It's a tab for me. So you can just use shortcuts. Just select this down and just type your L1 tag, right? Yeah, let me just cut this and put it to the end. Just paste. Boom. So we have that. So we have our card. You can duplicate this later. So let's move to the next section. Or I'll ask you to just go lay out your own. I'll do mine. So in the next video, I'll show you how I laid out my own HTML. Then after that, we'll now move to the next thing. Thank you very much for staying and watching. Don't forget, you can still apply. You can keep checking on Decagon website to apply as a newbie to become a Decader. Just like I said, come to Decagon HQ, then click on apply. But now we're closed. So in the next cycle, you can keep checking on this website so that you know when the next cycle will open, then come here to apply. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to lay out your own HTML and CSS, your own HTML before we'll be moving down to the CSS part. Thank you very much. We'll end this session here. Thank you for staying. Remain blessed. Bye.